So hi guys, I am back with another project for the basically Windows system. So the best part of this is it was my I was doing this for a very long time, and finally it is about to complete. Like we can demonstrate the what is going on, and I can also share the codes with you guys if you need it. So let me go ahead and tell you what it is about. So basically the idea is to have a privacy on the desktop. Basically the in everyone house the desktop is not a personal thing, it is mainly distributed from among the family members, right? So here I wanted something where I can browse, I can watch whatever I want, and I can store those so that it is always belongs to me, not like anyone else can access it. So it all be encrypted within that uh, project or app. So mainly we are using Electron for the shell, which is overall the body of this app. It is what it is on build on. Mainly if you see the VS Code or the Discord for the Windows app is also built on Electron only. So we are using that, and for the backend we are using Node.js, uh, which is basic, which I know very well, so that's I have used here. And for the in-app browser we have using a Chromium, basically a Google Chrome engine. The main thing is in for the file encryption is we have used AES 256, which is basically used in very secure thing to keep everything secure. And to have the key to encrypt decrypt, that is we have used a scrypt to basically having a key which will encrypt the files and decrypt it whenever we need it. And we have one more thing we have is the network privacy, which is basically a DNS over HTTPS. So let's go ahead and enter the password and let's pin whatever I have. So these are the files which I have downloaded, and to show you guys what we can do, this is kind of a library which is a filing system where we have all the image videos, and also if we hover here it get played on. So it is what is here we downloaded this from YouTube. This is basically a in-app. Let me mute this first. Yeah, this is basically a in-app VLC. So this is downloaded clip. So it is encrypted and it is only can be viewed in this app only. And there is one most important thing I added, like not the very basic one, not that ones. We can go ahead and hide it. If you want to hide inside this app also, you can do it. You can make it hide and it will be away from here and it will go in the hidden. So here I have two section hidden. We can again make it unhide and it will again come in the library in the visible part here. So yeah, let's go ahead and browse something. This is the browser. We can utilize the other search engines like DuckDuckGo, Google or Bing Images. We have the preloaded stock images websites like Pixabay, wherever where here we can find the images. The good thing about I have added one more thing is we can auto fetch the images. Here you see all the images are coming here, whatever images it is on the site, and we can directly download all at once. Let's go ahead and browse something else. Let's say video kind of thing. Let's say we go to YouTube and here we search something. Let's say any WWE match. Okay, yeah, matches here. Here we have option of download the videos. So I can go ahead and click on download video, and here you can see it is getting downloaded. If I go ahead and check, yeah, it is getting downloaded. It has a very beautiful progress bar which will show how what percent is there downloaded already. Let's talk something about this player. So we have all the basic settings like next one, next to next frame, or loop into next forward 10 seconds, and all the brightness control, contrast. This is overly options available, but we don't need even. But I was kind of experimenting something over here. And we have also we can export it also to the outer files where we can any without needing any key or pin we can view it. So that is option is also there. This record is kind of in progress, so mainly I wanted it to whatever I am browsing, there the record button should be there, so that I, even if I can't download the video, I can at least record it. But that is kind of in progress. Let's see how it goes. Here I have the search option, where basically it will directly search video images. Let's go ahead and search Iron Man, and it take a little bit of time, but eventually it will come. So let's go ahead, what see what we have others. A reel section, this is kind of again an experiment. Basically I want here is like whatever keyword I search, the all the YouTube's area or Instagram area, it should feed all the data, reels or shorts in here, and we just need to scroll up the things and videos keep popping up. But again it is in progress, and if you guys need it, the project, it I can like work on really hard and like let you as soon as possible. But let's see. Okay, go ahead, and there is a YouTube options of there is something I remember. What we have SoundCloud, why everything is SoundCloud? I need to check why SoundCloud has so many outcomes and YouTube has only one. Let's see what is this. Okay, this is some Iron Man movie clip. So yeah, basically this is all. This project is all about kind of good to go with something different, with all the students making some social media platform kind of cloning every other platform. This is something different, something like out of the box project, so you can definitely check into this. And if you like it, then let me know. I will share the code for it. Currently it is in progress, so I have to change little few things. So yep, and make sure to comment whatever you need to know next. Thank you.